I want to check this one. Tignan ko yung page, transparency niya, transparency. So guys, Faza Love 3 fan page. Akala ko Nigeria na naman. Pero this is not Nigeria. This is Filipino girl. So this is it. Primary country region location of people who manage this page includes Philippines 1. So this is it. This is Filipino. Faza Love 3. Rising creator. So be careful everyone, because you think it's Faza, but it's not. Because this appear in my page, so I check. Did you see? Faza Love 3. Congratulations, the money has arrived to build the house for you. So guys, be careful everyone. I am here to support all of you. So be careful. This is not Prince Hamdan who handled this account. This is a Filipino. She is a woman. Okay? I want to check again. If this page send you a message, don't agree, much better you block her quickly. Did you see? Please is live. Dubai Arab Emirates. But check his page transparency. Who manage this page? This is a Philippines. So that is why many people who fight on me, because the name is same me, created Mary Rose, September 16, 2023. So me, I met the Prince Hamdan Faza. I have chatted is December 11, 2022. So okay, so this is new than me. So guys, this is clear. This is Philippines. So be careful. If the sending you a message and then offer you like a love and a royal membership card, be careful. Okay? But it's up to you if you believe. I am here to advise to everyone to be careful. If you don't believe on me, it's not my problem. It's your problem. Okay? Have a nice day and God bless. Bye-bye.